I'm MacKenzie from the Beaverton City Library, normally at the Mary Shoals branch, but today I am at home and I'm going to read you a story. So this is February, which means it's Black History Month. It's a great time to celebrate and read stories that are written by Black authors, illustrated by Black illustrators, and that's exactly what I'm going to do for you right now. But I do want to remind you that February is not a time to just relegate to these stories, right? We definitely want to be reading these stories all year round, okay? So today's story is called My Rainy Day Rocket Ship, and it is written by Markette Sheppard and illustrated by Charlie Palmer. And this book is published by Simon and Schuster, and thanks to them, I get to read and record the story for you. My Rainy Day Rocket Ship. Mom says it's too rainy to play outside today, so I'll have to find my fun another way. I could get in some laughs with inside toys, cars, and games that bring much joy. But I've been there and done that stuff. Today, I'll make something really tough. Like a whole new world in a different place. A galaxy off in outer space. I'll need a rocket to get me there. How about this rocking chair? And I'll need a super launching pad. This will require some tools from Dad. A cardboard box and a bunch of socks. Look at all those socks. These will surely serve me well. On this mission, I cannot fail. Now, let me see about a spacesuit. These swimming trunks and goggles should do. Of course, astronauts need a flag. Maybe I can use Mom's old dish rag. Now, if I can just get Mom to turn off the light, this astronaut's crew is ready for flight. It says Space Ship painted on the box. Dad does a countdown from behind the couch. Mom makes sure I don't feel an ouch. Let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Zoom, zoom, zoom! All the way from the living room down the hall, riding on a broom. Prepare for landing on planet XYZ. It's a safe arrival in my BED, also known as the land of Z's. That is the end. It ended up being a really great bedtime story. And if you ever want to sing a song that goes with the theme of this book, My Rainy Day Rocket Ship, you could always do Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. All right? So thank you so much for listening to and watching this story. And I hope that we see you next time. Bye, everyone.